Hey guys, how y'all doing out there? Welcome to News Hub 88 again. Wanted to show y'all we have a windy day here in Wiggins, Mississippi. Today I'm at the Walmart, as you can see. Stone County, Mississippi. We got a lot of wind blowing today, and I wanted to bring it to y'all because in the video you can see a lot of the dirt blowing across the road from where they built a new Stone High School. Big, beautiful facility they built. A great community out here, by the way. If you're looking for something, a community that's growing and friendly, where everybody gets along with everybody, this is the spot. So as you can see, that wind is cutting up, boy. Here, shortly, you'll be able to see we go across the road where it's like literally blasting across the road, that dirt from the wind. Impressive view of the sky there. And here you go, you can see over that way. What that is, it's just dirt blowing up from where they're doing all the construction over there. The guys are not on duty today. Thank you, by the way, to all those guys for everything they're doing with building that beautiful high school over there. But boy, I tell you, that wind does cut it up and gets it going all the way across the road like something else. I tell you, you'd think there's a tornado out or something. So right here coming up, you'll start right here, see? Right here, there you go, starts right here, and then we actually drop into it to give you a view of what's happening. Letting you know where we at. You see it coming across the hill there. Yes, that's it, there it goes. So I hope y'all have enjoyed the video. Got some more coming up real thick right after this shot. We go back to it. There we go. So it gives you a general how much it was blowing across. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe, or hang out, check us out when you can. We'll bring as many good videos as we can to you of different areas, pretty much in the South. God bless y'all. Drive safe if you get out and about. Take care now.